everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be reviewing the QY Toys Gear Sphere, which is part of the Gear Cube series. So here with me I've got the Stronger Than Time edition, and the manufacturers of this product is the Kuyi Mofang G Science and Technology Industrial Co. Ltd. Alright, so now let's just unbox it. So down the bottom here there's like a here we go. Alright, straight off the bat I think this is some very nice, high quality packaging. I like how it just flips open like this, and then you've got your gear sphere. Okay, so I'm going to put that to a side, and I'm going to see what else comes in here. So it comes with this piece of plastic, which I don't care about. Comes with this nice paper there, and then obviously with this thing. And then it also comes with an instruction booklet, which basically shows you how to solve it. Alright, so my first impressions on this cube is that it is very well thought out. Feels really satisfying just to spin it around. Makes this nice noise. And it's also cool how they've got this gear, which I guess that's why it's called a gear sphere, that spins independently as you go around. So if I just do one full rotation, you'll see these don't actually line up, which makes it a whole lot harder. And you have to end up doing it, I think, 3 times, and then you're solved. Alright, so I'm going to try to scramble it up and solve it, and then I'll tell you what I think about it. Alright, so I've got it to a point where I've got almost the whole cube solved, except a couple of these edges are actually flipped. So this orange needs to go on this side and this purple needs to go here. So I'm just trying to work out how I can combat that. Alright, so it looks like I have solved it. Alright, so this gear sphere is really quite cool. Again, it turns really well. I like how all of the insides are all see-through, and I also like how it's got these gears on all of that, which just makes it a whole lot harder to try and solve it. I think this cube is great for someone who is a little bit experienced and just wants another cube to try and not only learn to solve, but something that is just different to all the other cubes with this gear mechanism. And yeah, I've never seen anything like it. Alright, so don't forget to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.